Gust
of high pressure centred over northern Britain. Now we call this area of high pressure a TV high, nothing to do with ladies' clothes, but the configuration of the high is such that it is causing serious television interference in northern Britain. Not a thing we can do about it, but it will improve slowly over the next few days as the high is pushed gradually westwards. As this weather front comes southwards across Scotland and Northern Ireland during tomorrow, and then southwards as a very weak feature indeed across England and Wales during the course of Saturday, finally clearing southern Britain on Sunday, but keeping those thunderstorms over the French side of the English Channel all the time. Then another cold front getting into the far north of Scotland again during Sunday. You can see the first sign of that first cold front, this cloud pushing into northern parts of Scotland, some patches brushing eastern coast of England as well. It'll come slowly southwards across the northern half of Scotland during the night, rain soon reaching Shetland, then occasional rain spreading southwards across northern Scotland tonight. Southern Scotland and Northern Ireland probably staying dry. England and Wales will be dry after a sunny, hot evening. Some mist, especially that low-grey cloud developing in the east. Then some showers developing over northern hills of England and Wales tomorrow. Otherwise, England and Wales seeing very little change, sunny and hot again in most places, but much cooler conditions will push southwards and cloudy conditions too over Scotland and Northern Ireland with just a little rain in places, with brighter weather eventually returning to the far north of Scotland. More wind too over Scotland and Northern Ireland tomorrow than we've seen for some time, so it will feel substantially fresher, but very light winds developing over England and Wales. So onshore breezy developing around all the coasts, western coasts cooler tomorrow, but still hot inland, very hot, 25 to 31 degrees Celsius in places, but much cooler over Scotland and Northern Ireland, but still pleasantly mild in the south. Still very high pollen in some of these western districts. We've had to devise a new symbol. And then cooler weather spreading southwards across England